Adi Sukardi, thank you so much. Tapos na ano. Sir Joseph Olbel, okay? Thank you. Thank you all for coming. So, okay, I shout out and then I end my live, okay? Guys, please connect each other. Nanghira Nguyen Vlog. Oh, thank you, host. Thank you so much. Nginya Nguyen Vlogs. Ngiya Nguyen. I don't know if I pronounce properly. If no, I'm so sorry. Oh, Nangiya Nguyen Vlogs. It's already connected, but not all bell. It means I am the one to subscribe to your first. So because you here, I make all bell, okay? Because I end bell already. All bell. So if you have a new upload, so I can go to your channel. Thanks, guys. I'll watch your video. Oh, I watch already this. So, okay, guys. I shout out. This is final already. I shout out and then I end my live, okay? Thank you so much, guys. And please connect each other na lang. So, ayan, Sir Joseph Field, DFW, Texas. Thank you so much. Master Rapid TV, thank you so much. Adi Socardi, 57. Thank you so much. Sis Prissy Vlog, thank you so much. Nia Nguyen Vlogs, thank you. Nguyen Vlogs, thank you so much. And sino pa? All about Diffis World. This is all about food in travel. Thank you so much. Sis Sino pa nga na ito? Sis Bibs, thank you so much. Sis My Loves, thank you so much. Sir Dibs Simple Crops, thank you so much. Kia Tube, thank you so much. And Sis Lovelyn Mix Blog, thank you so much. Liti PU Channel, thank you so much. Video Creator 2.0, thank you so much. And Yin Nomads, thank you so much. Sis Bibs Mix Blog, thank you so much. Gorilla, thank you so much. Sorry, I can pronounce your full name because this is not English word, letter. So Gorilla, I can pronounce. Thank you so much. And Sir Sam, thank you so much. And to all here coming to my live stream, thank you so much, everyone. And for now, I'm signing off. And thank you, everyone. God bless. And I love you all, guys. Bye. See you my next vlog, guys. My live, I mean. So, thank you so much, everyone.